Welcome to our new episode of our massive 100-part video series on Excel Analytics. To learn data analytics, whether beginner or experienced user, you will love to know more about Excel Analytics with AI. This video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Welcome back, friends. Whether you are managing a corporate expansion or a personal mortgage, the most vital question is always, what is this going to cost me every month? Today we are exploring the PMT function. The PMT function, to a layman, is the budgeting tool. It takes a large intimidating loan amount and breaks it into equal periodic payments. It accounts for both the principal, the money you borrowed, and the interest, the cost of borrowing that money. By assigning a specific interest rate and time period to your loan, Excel uses internal logic to solve for a constant payment. It ensures that by the end of your term, the balance hits exactly zero, providing a robust analysis of your long-term financial obligations. When you see a result like this, you are looking at the most accurate version of your monthly commitment. It tells you exactly what you need to set aside to stay on track. For the modern day analyst, the precision of this calculation is the foundation of trust. Using the PMT function ensures your models reflect the true cost of a capital, providing a defensible budget every time. It's the key to making informed, confident financial decisions. If you see in this, the loan amount is $30,000 at the annual rate of 5% divided by 12 in the formula, and the number of years is 5, that is multiplied by 12. So as per the PMT formula is 5 in 5% divided by 12 into 5 into 12 in comma $30,000. You get PMT monthly payment to be done is $566.14. This is your monthly commitment. Are you calculating your loan payments manually or relying on bank estimates? Master the PMT function and take control of your financial data. Thank you.